Today's topic is chemicals from salt. We are going to see about common salt. What is the formula for common salt? Sodium chloride, NaCl. It is obtained from sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. This sodium chloride is obtained from sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. And this common salt is used in food. We know that seawater contains a large amount of various salt. Seawater contains large amount of various salts. Due to some impurities, it is in brown color. So that salt is known as rock salt. From that, the pure common salt is separated from various methods. And this common salt, sodium chloride, is used as a raw material for other materials such as sodium hydroxide, washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder. We are going to see about the preparation of sodium hydroxide. And this sodium hydroxide, how we are going to prepare means the electricity is passed through. Electricity is passed through a aqueous solution of sodium chloride. We are going to take the sodium chloride in a liquid formation and passing the electricity through this sodium chloride, it is decomposed into sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. So, again I will repeat, we are taking the sodium chloride in a liquid form and electricity is passed through this sodium chloride and it is decomposed into sodium hydroxide, hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. And this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Why this is called chlor-alkali process means the product formed chlorine, hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. The product formed this chlor for this chlorine and this alkali for this sodium hydroxide. So this process is known as chlor-alkali process. Equation for this reaction is we are taking sodium chloride in aqueous solution plus water. So we are passing the electricity through this water. Then what will become means hydrogen gas is liberated, chlorine gas is liberated and sodium hydroxide. So this is the preparation method for sodium hydroxide. Look at here the chlor-alkali process. Here sodium chloride aqueous solution is present here. And when electricity is passed through this solution, a chlorine gas is liberated and it is obtained near anode. Near cathode, hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide were obtained. And this hydrogen gas is used for fuels and chlorine gas is used in pesticides. Sodium hydroxide is used in soaps, the preparation of soaps and detergents. So these three things are very useful. Now the chlorine gas is used to prepare bleaching powder. How means this chlorine gas is passed through calcium hydroxide. What is the formula for calcium hydroxide? CaOH2. Another name of calcium hydroxide is slaked lime. And this chlorine gas is passed through this calcium hydroxide. Then calcium oxychloride, which is known as bleaching powder, plus water molecule will liberate. So this chlorine gas is passed through calcium hydroxide, which is known as slaked lime. Then calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder is obtained here. So what is the usage of bleaching powder? It is used in textile industries. It is used not only in textile industries. It is used for making drinking water free from germs. So now we are going to see about baking soda. Baking soda is used in kitchen basically to make the food soft and spongy. So how the baking soda is preparing means what is the chemical formula for baking soda is NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. So this is baking soda. Washing soda is Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, and that is known as washing soda. Know the difference between baking soda and washing soda, and this is the formula for washing soda, Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. 10 water molecule will present in the sodium carbonate, and that is known as washing soda. Now we will see about the preparation of sodium bicarbonate. For that, sodium chloride salt is used plus water molecule plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia. When these reactants are reacting with each other, ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate will obtained. So this is basically used in kitchen to make the food soft and spongy. And then next one is washing soda. Washing soda is used for washing clothes. So how many water molecules will present in that washing soda? 10 water molecules. So this preparation equation is very easy. We have to take sodium carbonate plus adding water molecules to that. So automatically washing soda will be prepared. The next topic is, are the crystals of salts are really dry? For this we are going to take copper sulfate salts. What is the color of copper sulfate salts? It is in blue color. I am taking in a test tube this copper sulfate, dry copper sulfate, and I am burning this. What will happen means this blue color of this copper sulfate will disappear. Why? Because the water present in the copper sulfate, it will dry, then the blue color copper sulfate crystals is changed into white color, because the water molecules which is present in the copper sulfate will removed. So the blue color is changed into white color. Again I will putting some water drops inside this test tube. When the crystal absorbs that water, again this white color become into blue color. The blue color reappears. So the water of crystallization is determined as number of water molecules which is present in one formula unit of salt. Here in copper sulfate, CuSO4, here in copper sulfate there are 5 water molecules. 5 water molecules is present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. So how you will write the chemical formula for this? CuSO4 dot 5H2O. So in hydrated copper sulfate, how many water molecules will present? 5 water molecules will present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. So this is the chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate. Now another example for another salt, plaster of Paris. It is prepared from gypsum. Okay, what is the formula for gypsum? CuSO4 dot 2H2O. It is containing 2 water molecule in this water of crystallization. Okay, this gypsum is heated for 373 Kelvin. It is heated for 373 Kelvin. Then it loses this water molecules and it forms calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemihydrate means a little amount of water molecule have to present in this gypsum. Okay, so it is changing into calcium sulfate hemihydrate. When this gypsum, it is containing 2 water molecule, when it is heated for 373 Kelvin, it have to lose the water molecule, but also it have to contain a little amount of water molecule because for water of crystallization. So it have to change into calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So CuSO4 dot half H2O, which is known as plaster of Paris. And it is used, doctor used this plaster of Paris for supporting fractured bones. For supporting the fractured bones in right position. To keep the bones in the right position, doctors used this one. Not only in medical, other than that, it is used for making toys. This plaster of Paris is using for making toys. So this is an white powder. This white powder is mixed with water. Then it will become a solid mass. Then it is used for any other uses.